Hey chicas, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a pink and purple look. As you can see, I already have my foundation and brows done. I'm just taking this Maybelline loose finishing powder in the color Fair Light, and I'm going to put it up under my eyes so that the shadow won't fall on my face. So for shadows, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette with this color Unity. I am just using this to set the concealer that I put on my eyes. Next, I'm going to use the color Lure, and I'm going to put that in my crease, and I think I'm going to put a little bit on my lid or the outer corner of my lid. And I am just going to go ahead and blend that in. Going in with this Urban Decay X Kristen Leanne palette, I'm going to use the color Spitfire and Dye. I know I pointed to the blue, that's what I had in mind, but at the end you'll see that I am going to use that purple shade for my lower lash line. So I'm taking this color Spitfire and I'm just putting this all over my lid. And this is basically everything that I'm doing. I'm just going back in with Lure from that Anastasia Prism palette. Excuse the dang. That Prism palette, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended in smoothly. For liner today, I'm going to use this ultra thin eyeliner pen by Blink, and this is in the color black, and I am doing a super thin winged liner for this look. Okay, so here's that purple shade that I was telling you about. I am just going to take this and put it on my lower lash line. Going in with my Pixie by Petra Silky Eye Pen in the color Velvet Violet, I am just going to put this color in my waterline. And then I'm going to also go in with the Pixie Mascara in the color Bold Black. And I'm just going to apply that to my lashes before I apply my falsies. The lashes that I'm going to use today are by Amber's Virgin Hair Company. This is in the style Diamond. Look down below and there will be a link for this website and a coupon code that you can use to purchase some lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this powder off my face so that I can go ahead and finish. You're going to see me use my normal products, the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the color Tan. I'm just going to put this over my face, actually over the powder a little bit so that it won't be a white cast. Now I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I think this is in the shade Shadow Play. I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose, and then I'm going to contour my face. Going back in with this Pixie mascara, I am going to apply that to my top lashes just so that I can blend my lashes in with the false lashes. And then for blush today, I am going to use the NARS blush in the color Orgasm. I'm going to go ahead and throw that on the cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Hustler Baby. And I am just going to put that in the normal places. I'm going to highlight the top of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin, and I think I'm going to throw a little bit above my eyebrows. I really can't remember that. I'm almost positive that I am. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to spray my face with some Max Fix Plus. To take care of my bottom lashes, I'm going to use my Faithful Lash Princess Mascara by Essence just to thicken up those bottom lashes. To add a little bit of sparkle to the eyes, I'm going to take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the color Grind, and I'm just going to apply that in my inner corners. To top this look off, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Fenty Glow. And that is about it for the face. Next, you will see me show this unit that I am wearing. This is also from the company Amber's Virgin Hair Company. This is a lace front wig. When I received it, it was in the color, I want to say 1B. It was black. And then I just went ahead and colored it. I used this color by Wella. This is in the color Allspice. And I just went ahead and threw this color on it, made it look more like me. And that's about it. I will put everything about this wig down in the description box down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.